Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw?
Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started!
Apoy. Apoy. Apoy meaning fire. Paniniwala. Pa-ni-ni-wa-la. Paniniwala meaning beliefs. Pakilala. Pa-ki-la-la. Pakilala meaning introduce. Lutuan. Lutuan. Lutuan meaning stove. Bumili. Bu-mi-li. Bumili meaning to buy. Kodigo. Ko-di-go. Kodigo meaning code. Saya. Sa-ya. Saya meaning happy. Matamis. Matamis. Matamis meaning sweet. Plano. Plano. Plano meaning plan. Ngayon. Ngayon. Ngayon meaning now or right now. Pandilig. Pandilig. Pandilig meaning watering pot. Patay. Patay. Patay meaning dead or off. Rason. Rason. Rason meaning reason. Balikat. Balikat. Balikat meaning shoulder. Ineng. Ineng. Ineng meaning dear or sweetheart. It is often used for girls or young girl. Lasso. Lasso. Lasso meaning ribbon. This one is the opposite of unfair. Patas. Patas. Patas meaning fair. Tamad. Tamad. Tamad meaning lazy. Paano. Paano. Paano meaning how. Chismis. Chismis. Chismis meaning gossip. Damit. Damit. Damit meaning shirt or clothes. Bakit. Bakit. Bakit meaning why. Tawag. Tawag. Tawag meaning call. This is also a way of saying good. Ayos. Ayos. Ayos meaning good or fixed. Interesado. Interesado. Interesado meaning interested.
Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!